Hello and welcome to Khoshi Lokache Fest. To start with, honestly, I have never been to Marius Sir's festivals, so I thought, why not give it a try? It was held at Goa College of Home Science from 11 in the morning.
Satan says that this art of rotation is becoming extinct. There are very few people left doing this art. So he says when he was young and he could walk, in old Goa there is an institute which looks after persons with disabilities education. There he got his vocational training. He could have done दूसरे गिरीश गोपाल सिंह दुसरे ताका टेलरिंग ऑप्शन आशिल्लो ताणें तो सोडलो आनी रोतेसांव केलो sometimes now he repents about it. He says I should have done tailoring and not rotesaw because now it has become extinct and very difficult to get work for livelihood, but still he does it for his livelihood. Number is given here 955-235-2219. If you call it on this number, if your house is accessible, then he comes to your house and he does this giving.
As usual, I thought it might be a regular celebration, like eating food, drinking, and dancing. But to my surprise, it was beyond that. Marius Sir and his team had criteria to follow, which are no chief guest, no alcohol, no sponsors, no competition, no prizes, and no entrance fee.
See, the color is a little reddish compared to the white color of potatoes, which tells you that it has more of the carotenoids in this one category of the carotenoids.
So the ingredients for the sweet potato nyorio, second, are contanto nyorio. Sweet potato.
Rama was a computer trainer for children with visual impairment for over 15 years in Bangalore in Enable India organization. Now Rama, because of his old mother, he has come back to Goa and now he is working in Sakali Government College. Now Rama here has come to show us malla making. Malla making is a traditional art of coconut leaves. So Rama learned that from his father and he continues with that. He trains young people to how to make malla.
Yeah. Nothing is impossible. If we try, then it will be very possible. Everything is possible. I have a habit of this doing that malla, and I learned by my father, old father, and my father and I was doing that from I think so 1995 I started that because I was at home due to my eyesight lost, and I learned from them. And now I am doing alone. That is very easy. If you will learn once, then it will be very easy.
Rama always is willing to come for our fest. And he does not ask for transport, he does not ask for any favors. When we say, can you come? He says yes. Today I think he's got 3 buses. He comes from Penne, bus to I don't know where, from there to Mapsar, Mapsar to Twenty, and he's made his way from so far to this fest, and then there's a journey to go back. But he's always willing to come for the greater good. So besides, you'll have seen he's like a machine making those sutta and molla, but I've seen him in the computer rooms, how he's teaching other students computers. So he's an amazing guy. We need to support him, and he's always supporting us. Thank you, Rama Paseka. Yes, how are you? You come here, and I've seen your book. How many books have you written so far? 7 books have you written. Yes, excellent.
150, right? Okay. So anybody can buy it. It is
It's good to be good. Well done. I'm happy you're here today. We don't live far away, do you? Yes.
Now these are all visual impaired community. Okay? Yeah. Some are fully visual impaired, some are partial. Okay? Now this artist, Sadia Bandodkar, she is hearing speech impaired. Okay, you can only with sign language you can talk. Very skilled person, mehendi and everything. Dressing, the organization of parents working for the children of autism.
Yeah. That's paper bleeding. This is paper bleeding. Paper bleeding, spray painting, stenciling, and these are the strengths that they have. And these are converted into products of art on canvas. These are mats and runners. So all done by adults with. So mats and runners, and these are the few products that they can do.
Hi, my name is Marius Fernandez, and today I am at the Goa College of Home Science, Kampal in Panjim. The name of this fest today, the 99th fest, is called Koshi Lokajya Fest, Happy People's Fest. So if you see around me, there are people here who've got hemophilia, who are visually impaired, people with disability. So if you ever meet them on the road, somebody you cannot see, and shake their hands, they're always happy. They never complain. So all these people are happy. You go and say hi to them. So hence the name Happy People's Fest. So we have many people here all over today. All they don't need anybody's pity. They can work. They are here to show their skills. Santan Rebello is here doing Odessa. Sabina here is doing Molla, and Rama Parsekar is doing something else. So everybody has got a skill. There's Frederica here who's written 7-8 books. She's here. So the idea is we have to empower everybody. And our festival is about inclusion. It's about accessibility. They should be able access to come. And it's about giving visibility and employment.
Resha Vednikar. She is a computer teacher at National Association for the Blind. She is teaching computer also at the same time music teacher. And she is 100%, but then also she uses computer, laptop, or tab, everything she can use with the help of technology. Suraj. In this chess, they are also 100% blind, but they can use this.
Here, I met extremely dedicated, hardworking, and talented people. They were beyond brilliance. These people were specially abled, extremely courageous, and God gifted. Not for a second did I feel they were lacking anything. I salute Mary Sir and his team for giving these people voice, for showcasing their hard work and talent. This was his 99th festival, and I'm beyond grateful that I got to witness it. I hope he continues this further because this is going to change the mind of future generation and how they see the festivals. It did change my mind.
So this Bashir is from Tonka near Panji, and he has a cerebral palsy. So in cerebral palsy there is a difficulty in synchronization of brain and body. So he finds it difficult to walk. He struggles also to talk, but he has that spirit of living by his own earning. So what he does, he goes around collecting this raddi from people, and he prepares these bags with the help of his mother. His father expired recently. Earlier parents and they all three used to sit and do these bags. And he sells to pharmacies. He has a hand car. Through that he takes this hand trolley, and he takes and goes, sells to pharmacies and other shops. On और किसको? मॉल में he goes and sells. So that is how he earns his livelihood. Because his eyes are most often red, because his hands and feet don't synchronize. He shakes when he walks around with his trolley. People think he is drunk. They harass him. So that's what he is trying to tell you, because sir helps him. Moment they harass him, he calls me. Then I talk to people. I explain to them that he can sit and beg, but he is not doing it. He is living his livelihood. So people should not harass him. So they feel he is drunk. He never drinks. He is with disability of cerebral palsy.
Hemophilia Society today. This is what you can see behind the poster is hemophilia. It's a bleeding condition in which the blood doesn't flow, and due to which if there is any injury, internal or external, the person can bleed critically and can lead to death. Okay, so this in the body the factors are missing. So if you see here, factor 8 and factor 9 which is missing, so they would require a lot of injections or they require medicines which are very very costly. But with the help of the society and our HM, Health Minister, now in GMC, these patients are being taken care, and government also gives us free medicines. Okay, and also my son has a bleeding condition which is like hemophilia, but it's different. It's called Glanzmann thrombocythemia, in which every factor is fine, but the platelets function is not there. Like platelets are there, the count is okay, but they don't function. In simple terms, hands are there, they don't know hands what to do, how to do the clotting. So in the same case, if he bleeds in by any injury, we have to admit and give him blood platelets. So like this, there are many other bleeding conditions. Okay, and here we are today with some of our items for sale and also for creating awareness on such conditions. So if you all have in your area, or if you have heard of any of this where the blood is coming and not stopping, so please get in touch to us, because there are tests to detect on which condition, and we can always as a community move forward than just going into depression.